Okay, coming into the furnace closet. The upstairs portion, as we saw in the previous video, goes into a double Y right there. A little hard to get a good shot. Anyway, from the double Y, I went with two Street 45s to get it closer to the wall here. And then I'm going straight down, and I added a clean out tee. I thought be a good place for it because I got easy access if I ever need to clear that drain. And then through the floor, and then from the floor, of course, be going to the crawl space. Anyway, any thoughts on my routing here, or the fittings I used, or any concerns you might think of? But it seems like it's a tight fit in there, but it does all fit. Okay. Your thoughts, please.